Hi, this is Josh with Tekamo News, your weekly source for updates on the heavy equipment and construction industry. Today we're looking into the acquisition Terex has recently made of ProAll out of Alberta, a specialist producer in mobile concrete mixers. ProAll's main production is based in Olds, Alberta, a small town about 100 kilometers north of Calgary. It also operates a service and installation site in Keller, Texas, to give it international reach. ProAll will join Terex Advance and Terex Bidwell in the business as the Terex MP concrete sub-segment. Terex acquiring ProAll shows the way things are going lately. Another small company is getting bought by a larger company with hopes of expanding what it can do. And the big thing that's happening here is the expansion of product lines and the expansion of serviceability and delivery. So what this acquisition does for Terex and for ProAll is it opens up markets. ProAll was originally only manufacturing in Alberta, with their product also being worked on in Texas. This will open the international markets to ProAll through Terex's system. Those of you that are in the concrete world, this could be a good thing for you. What it will do is help drive prices down, and it'll help acquire parts and service. And more options means better pricing. To stay up to date with industry news, please subscribe to Tekamo News. And if you have any questions, email me at joshd@tekamohd.com.